my first maiden flight of my Mini 3 Pro drone, DJI, Oak Ridges Moraine area. So anyway, it's a little hard to find a spot that I could pull off the road and park safely and have a safe place to launch. It is very responsive, the drone. It's quite quick. You move laterally and yeah, it moves quite quick. Return to home seemed to work well, although I got a little worried there was a puddle down here, and I launched it from about 10 feet away, so it didn't come exactly, and I thought it was going to go in the puddle, so I hit the cancel quickly and then repositioned. The battery time, it was much shorter than I thought. I do have 3 batteries. I only brought 2 with me today, so I did go through 2 batteries today, so I have to get used to that. I think they were fully charged, but time flies, I guess, when you're practicing and learning things. Let's say this was a first drone test success, so very happy, lots of fun, and I didn't think I would get anything too artistic, to be honest, but I just positioned the drone and just did a few flyovers of where I was and a little bit away, and then I took some with the gimbal straight down, and I may be surprised, just nowhere kind of special, but from the air things do look different. So I'm heading back home, got an ultimate game in a few hours, so thanks for watching.